Hi, my name is Ruud Sips. I'm a general dentist, and today we are going to show you one of our beautiful products, the Abutment Key, which enables you to quite easily place an individual abutment with a cemented crown. When you have an individual abutment made, it's actually the best thing you can do for a crown on an implant. An individual abutment obviously has a lot more and better characteristics than a TI base abutment. You can make sure that with such an individual abutment, actually the design is made so that the crown follows nicely according to the contours of the gingiva. But if we make an abutment that we then have to put a cemented crown over it, it's not uncommon that it's sometimes difficult to place the abutment properly on the implant. And you really just want to do that with as little tension and friction as possible. And that's why we actually created this tool, which, as you can see, is a metal printed key which has a hole in it to put a floss thread through, as you can see here, so that should a patient swallow this, that you can be in time to still remove it. And what you'll see, and I'm just showing it now without the abutment, but you can see that really this fits tightly on the teeth. So it's actually a tool or a placement aid that we can provide to make sure that you can easily fit the abutment. And the advantage of metal is that, of course, it's very rigid. It has no shrinkage, it has no other properties. So it's very steady and very stable. And so is the fit towards the abutment. So when you put it on, then it all actually fits very nicely. And so actually this way you can place such an individual abutment very easily. You actually put it in, you feel that abutment key support is solid, rigid. And then you can use a screwdriver and eventually torque wrench to just tighten the whole thing. And that's actually completely tension-free, and you know immediately that everything fits nicely. Then you can actually quite easily remove that abutment key and everything is in its place. Of course, always remember to follow the manufacturer's torque protocol. And this tool is then used. You could possibly give it with the patient to make sure that should it ever be anything, that they can always use it again. This is actually a very simple tool that you can use that makes a dentist's life a little bit easier to make sure that everything comes neatly into place for cemented crowns with individual abutments and that it fits tension-free properly. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope to see you next time at one of our other videos.